in the woods, living the backwoods life.
We're hunting buck days. Kind of cool this afternoon, but I know what you're thinking. You know, I just like to get dirty with them. Lethal, dirty field spray. We're gonna get dressed and get back in here. We just went to town and got some lunch and saw some deer crossing the road and in the fields already. So we're gonna shoot back in there and see. And time will tell if what we did was right or wrong, but we're gonna see. Come on. Come on, looking good so far. Keeps coming right there. If he turns around, we're gonna bust him. What happened? I don't know what happened on that first shot. I'm pretty sure I hit him both shots, but he was just standing there like nothing happened. What? That second shot nailed him though. He was going down. I don't know, you gotta be ready, that's all I know. Golly. Anyway, we drug him out here to the road where it's daylight, but we were way back in here and it looked like that. And how he got through there, I do not know. But anyway, he's out of there and he's here now. And he's a nice one, and I like it. All right, that's him. One more good shot of this big brute. He's got a broke G4, broke G4, and a broke G1. Broke brow tine right there. Actually, yes, broke. So he's been doing some fighting at some point. But I'd say he's probably the bull of the woods. Big old body. That's what you can get. You come to Southwest Georgia Academy Buck Days hunts, and they fill up every year. And we really enjoy this hunt. We've been over here, I don't know, like 17 years in a row. We killed some really nice bucks over here. And for the price and the good time and the fellowship, you can't beat it. So you better hurry. I'm telling you, buckdays.com, because they'll be full next week. I'm telling you, you better hurry. Thank God I've already killed a big buck, and I'm just hog hunting. So I dropped G and his cameraman off at their stand just now. Or just now, an hour ago. We got like 4,000 acres to ourselves, and I've been lost for an hour. I've seen 6 bucks chasing those, and I've been lost. But I drove the whole property, come back to the road, got my bearing straight, got back in here. Walked halfway to the stand, forgot my binoculars. Got some hogs screaming, just raising Cain in the woods right there in front of us. I haven't seen one yet, but they're there. I mean, they're loud. I don't know what they're doing. If they come out here, we're gonna pump one of them up. It's a beautiful spot right here. We gotta change our plans. I can hear the hogs are getting closer to the thing. Bill, we can't see this side out of the stand. We're gonna move up here. 75 yards, we can see the whole field. I can hear them running. We gotta get in. Oh, they're fixing to come out. They're fixing to come out right there. They're fixing to come out right there. He's coming back around. Smoke him, baby. Yes, sir. Big old rust-colored joker. I think he's down. We're gonna try to run up there real quick. Wow, what a hog. Buck days, hog days, it don't matter. Big buck, big hog, baby. Finally, he's done for. Wow, so I don't even know if I can move him. It's a big hog. We got in the stand, and about 15 minutes after we got in there, like we could hear him just raising Cane right here. He was after those sows, I guess. And we kept hearing him, so I said, heck, they're over here kind of where we can't see. So we got down out of the stand, and we walked down the sagebrush and got by right when we got by the big pine tree right there, they started filing out, the smaller ones. And then his big butt popped out. He went back and forth, and finally I got a shot at him. And man, I don't know how much he weighs, but I don't know. I got to go get some help. I got Mr. G, Kevin's dad, and Vic in the stand. Vic's filming G. They're a mile from here, and I don't even remember how to get back to them. But I'm gonna see if they can drop me a pin and try to get back over there, because I can't load this by myself. There ain't no way. Wow. Hog days, buck days, baby.